everybody, today I'm going to be making chocolate covered cake in heart shape form. Now I'm going to be doing it in this geometric hearts. I got this from Amazon. I might do the second one, but I only have 2 boxes of cakes and I got it from Walmart today. So they're fresh. You can make your own cakes, you can make your own cream, but I decided to take the easy way out and buy the cakes. And I bought 2 of them. They come in 4. I've got the red velvet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to separate that cream from the cake, and you will see. You are going to need whatever chocolate you prefer, obviously melting chocolate. I have this one from Candy Melts. Got this from Joann's. And I have this one also from Joann. This is the Tasty Candy Melts Candy in Salted Caramel Brownie. And I'm going to do this just to decorate it at the top. I'm going to be placing these. And I got this from Amazon as well. It's just some, you know, sprinkle white pearls mixed with different shapes. Different sizes. And this spatula, I believe it's called like a spatula, to kind of smooth it out at the end. And I want to try to do some with pearl silver powder and gold powder on at least a heart or so, and dust it off with a brush. And this is what I have. I'm going to melt the chocolate. I'm going to be using, I have 3 of these. So one, I'm going to separate the buttercream. 1 for the pink chocolate, 1 for the dark chocolate. And I don't have a piping bag, so I'm going to use parchment paper for my piping. They smell delicious.
Love is love. Love is love.
Now, I'm not trying to make a lot, so I'm probably going to save these and eat these later. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and crumble these up. And you just use your hands to crumble them. Now, this cupcake was really easy to crumble because it was really moist and it was made fresh. Plus, remember, it had the cream filling in the middle. So, I already reached the desired consistency that I want. Well, for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of this cream back in there. I'm going to do one at a time and see how I like that. And you proceed to crumble. Knead. Well, now I've reached the desired consistency. Very doughy-like, as you can see. So I'm going to set this aside. And now work on melting my chocolate. Now, no need to waste this. I'm just going to go ahead and save it for now and saran wrap. Later on, put it in a container and bake a cake and use it. Why not? I added some vegetable oil. I forgot to mention that because this brand does tend to be a little bit on the thicker side, at least in my opinion. But it does say in the back, if you think it's too thick, then you add a vegetable shortening. Okay, now I'm just going to stir, and it looks like it's at the desired temperature that I want it at.
Chicken like what it's gonna be. Food in the cut, hey, you want us red rum when I tell a big piece. Love is love.
It's looking about like a tablespoon, or like, this is a tablespoon filled, but about a tablespoon filled into one of these.
Love is love. Love is love.
So I took this out of the refrigerator and I left it there for 17 minutes, but I think 10 probably would have been okay. You just have to check on it to see when it's set. And then once it is, then I'm gonna put another layer just to make the edges here a little bit stronger. It seems like I got a good amount in the middle, so I'm good with that. I just need to add a second coat. And mainly, like I said, on the edges here, so that's where I'm going to focus on. Okay, so I am happy with this. I am going to place it back into the refrigerator. Okay, so it came out of the refrigerator. It has been another 10 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is, and what you want to do is you want to get your dough here, and you want to go ahead and stuff these.
Love is love. Love is love.
Now I have these. Now I'm going to go ahead and melt some chocolate and pour it right above, and you'll see. The chocolate was already still melted from the second round of putting chocolate. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it as is because this is still spreadable. Now, of course, if you want to do another layer of that, you're more than welcome to. You'll just remelt some more. Put this in the refrigerator, remelt some more chocolate, and then place some more on top. And then you'll have a pretty bottom. I'm just going to clean some of this off. So I took this out of the refrigerator. I didn't get it as smooth as I was supposed to, but that's okay. Maybe you'll be able to accomplish that. Now I have my brownie caramel salted chocolates and my white chocolates. I'm going to add some vegetable oil to that, and then I'm going to take these out and pipe it and decorate them.
Just stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Food in the cut, hey, you want us red rum when I tell a big piece. Love is love.
I already have this that I made. I might be using this one. I think hopefully I made it a little too tiny, but I think it ought to do. The way you make that is you get some parchment paper, you cut it into a triangle like this.
Love. Love is love.
And then of course you'll cut here if you feel you need to, if you need to tighten some more. The way you can go ahead and clean this up is with a knife. You just cut away. There you go. And you have your heart. I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the rest of them. Look how pretty those look. make sure you test to see how you like it. Okay, I made a mess, but it's okay. I overfilled it. Remember to put these on while the chocolate is still hot, or else it's going to be difficult to put it on later. Now I'm gonna let this set. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the second parts here. These right here. I am going to get the powder here. Alrighty, now that I want to go and fetch some alcohol, I use Malibu Original. I only added a little bit because I'm just going to paint whatever's left.
Love is love. Love is love.
I'm going to go ahead and place these things here first. And this is just a cupcake liner. Might be a good idea to make it double, put two of them so it can support it. With me, I like to have a box that's gonna serve a purpose, a photo box. So you put your significant other's name. So what I'm going to do, I really wanted to get shredded paper, but they had none, so you gotta get creative. I'm going to put tissue paper. And then I am going to serve them in here. Now, technically, I probably should have made more, but that is okay. Something for you to just keep in mind next time. You can always put champagne, a small one. You can put a teddy bear. I don't know. People do all kinds of things. Figure it out. And then you just fill in the areas to give it support.
Love is love. Love is love.